So I think that it's just a time of great challenge, which usually focus people to go inside and question, why am I here? What am I doing? What is this world? How can I best live through it? How can I flourish even within all the challenges that are going on? So I think these are the things that go on, the impulses from what's going on around us. And so in a way, it's good if it turns as many individuals into the spiritual life, which is the very foundation of spiritual life is virtue, is the study, contemplation, and practice of virtue until one embodies virtue.